to the flows now. We're going to start with the green first, with the fifth force, superconscious, specifically in the first time dimension and first mental sphere. I'm emphasizing that because it's going to be a little different dynamics of the superconscious fifth force in every four outer mental spheres. Okay, now there are also 13 magnitudes, just like a weight spell, Now here we're either going to activate or sublimate, but this time, instead of us just knowing what the energy is in external time, here we got something to do now. We're going to either activate or sublimate and then transfer those fifth dimensional, because we're in the fifth force. We're going to transfer or activate, sublimate those signals. How do we know what the signals are in our radio sense core? Let's first explain what activate means. Let's say to activate means to operate or get it started. Activate means something has to be moved, put into motion. To sublimate means to divert something, change the course of something, or to modify something. In either instance, we're going to use the tones essences. But there is an exception. The magnitude 2 is challenge. We don't ever want to transfer or sublimate challenge. Therefore, we're going to use its action. We're going to activate or sublimate stability to our radio sense, touch, taste, smell, sound, and vision, tactical, gustatory. You see, whatever it is that you're doing to an object, you see what I'm saying? Because we're going from the mundane to supernatural qualities. We're talking about first time dimension, which means that we are cleaning it up and putting ourselves in a position to use our paranormal capabilities. Let's say something fell on number 9, and it's sublimating. That means automatically that we're going to use the essence, intention. That means that we're going to have to sublimate our intentions, meaning we have to modify, change to where we want it to be or where it needs to be. We might have to think about it for a minute as it applies to our goal that we started with targeting, right? From the very beginning of the heptad on Dali, which is the target. We're following that. We're targeting flow. Each day we got something to do. And each day we're looking at the hollow mind perceiver. Okay, let's move to the pink area, to the 6th time dimension ESP in the first time dimension, first mental sphere. And in this flow, 5 activating and 5 sublimating, to 6 is neutral. But there are only 11 magnitudes. So that means that we cannot use the tones now. We cannot use power, action, and essences because there's only 11. Okay. So that means that, whether we activating or sublimating, we're going to ask how much ESP are we receiving? How much intuition? How much deja vu? See, we're still going to use the activation and sublimation. It's just that we're going to use it as a how much factor. That's what, when we get down pat what activation and sublimation means, then we can better apply these magnitudes. We don't need our radio sense nodes to pick up on otherworldly information.